Hello friends and welcome. In this video I have for you another budget knife. This time is made from very well-known knife factory in China. So this will be the Sanrenmu 7105. And when I did browse on GearBest, where I bought this knife, I was first looking at some cheaper knives to check out as a part of my first order from them, and I did find this knife. So right from the start, this is an under $10 knife, so around 8 and something I paid for it, and the link will be provided in the description. Firstly, maybe if you remember in the past when I reviewed some of Sanrenmu knives, they come some in a blister packaging, some came in a box, and this is a very nice package they are using now. Oh, this is a box with a presentation window. Also, you have the mounting option if you have the stand for it, and yeah, a little bit of a presentation of the company. So the company was founded in 1998. Sanrenmu Knives, standards for meticulous production processes. Yes. So if you want to read it, you can. They are known to use, let's say, better steels than other OEM or cheap knife companies. So on this one, just we'll open the package. So you get the knife and you get a instruction. Okay, so this is all in Chinese and also in English. I don't know why the description they made only in Chinese, but obviously you have weight and the measurements of the knife, and yeah, the model 7105 is a multifunction pocket knife. The knife is really nicely secured in the plastic, and yeah, first things first. So they are using some injection molded rubber in the handle scales. In the description you can find that the handle scales are PA 66 and GF. So maybe some kind of Grivery or Creighton, I don't know. But you have only a single mounting option for the pocket clip. Yes, this is a smaller knife. I would say a smaller EDC all-around knife. You will not use it for a really hard use, and why I will show you in a few seconds. So firstly, the blade is made out of 12C27 stainless. So I don't know if this is a reference to a sandwich steel or they are using just the components of the steel to describe it. Obviously this will be a better steel than your regular 3 CR13 MOV or 8 CR13 MOV. Why is this a multifunction knife? Maybe you spot it there. This has a hidden bottle opener and screwdriver, which are two probably most used utility tools on, if you're not considering the blade being the first one, on a, let's say, Swiss army knife. Okay, so this is always good to have with you, so you can screw something up or tighten something up and open your bottle of your favorite beverage if it needs to be opened this way. So this is nice extra. The second thing, right off the box, the centering is not perfect, but hey, this is under $10, so what are you complaining? Yes. Another little bit sad thing about this knife has a flipper, but you can't flip this one, and why I will show you. So what will probably be interesting for a lot of my viewers that are from Germany or United Kingdom, this knife has no locking mechanism. So this is a slip joint. It has a double detent, I would say locking, semi-locking, or it is not a lock, because a lock is therefore to be prevent you to close the knife. If you are, how should I describe this? You have two parts. They are a little bit bent, and they end with a ball bearing. So they push on to the blade, and obviously the blade has to milled out two ball bearings detent holes, and when you close the knife, you hear that like a lock will be snapped or engage. The two ball bearings snap on both sides, and they give you a secure grip. Probably also therefore they put on the blade the flipper, because in this, let's say, in this configuration there is no way how the lock would fail and close and cut your fingers. So if you are pushing hard, then you disengage the ball bearings, but still you have the flipper tab there, so you are protected. Okay, but as any law regulations that are regulate the opening of the knife, you will probably be safe to use it. Also, it's very hard to open, so really you need to use the flipper and then open it. So I will not consider it as a two-hand opener, no, but also probably why this knife was made was because of the knife regulations in some countries, because the blade length is considerably under 3 inches. So I would say 2.8, 2.9. I will put in the description the exact length. But you have a nice package, a little bit multifunction, and also a functional blade. And one more thing, they give you a nice stone washed and then polished blade, so this is always good to help with the corrosion resistance. So this is a Windrunner design. This is the complete part number, the blade, and probably the steel designation here on the blade. Looks like the triangle looks like a blade logo or edge logo. Yes, and right out of the box, let's test the sharpness. Okay, this is very nicely sharp. No problems there. Okay. So the handle feels really nice. Given these inserts, you have a nice traction there. So, but obviously this will be a EDC light use EDC blade, so you have not to worry to have a lot of traction. If you want, also you can put a lanyard. So they thought about that too. So you can put your lanyard there. I don't know why they didn't drilled 2 holes more here. Maybe probably it will engage with the lanyard hole, but yeah, I would rather to see it to have more mounting options like only one. The locks, the pocket clip looks okay. So it is my little demo of the Sanrenmu 7105. I will link the GearBest site, a link of the knife in the description. So if you want to check it out, feel free. And also this video will be edited into my playlist of cheap knives under $50. Okay. So thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day.